Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. I received a lot of smart feedback from our last video about the mini loom. Some of you told me that the mini loom maybe is not as fast or as necessary because we can just do it by hand without any problem. Others told me that it's very beautiful and fast and everything, but the patch wouldn't stick to the original fabric, so you thought that maybe it's not so secure and so nice. In today's video, we are gonna do visible mending following your suggestions. So let's go! I'm gonna try to use the same thread that I used last time. If the memory doesn't fail me, I think I used those green, purple, and kind of yellow orangey. And I'm gonna do a little square as well. Oh, I think this is a little bit too big. I'm trying to make it not that big because what I really want is just to compare to see if I really can do that job easily. I think this is good now. And I'm gonna need a tambourine because otherwise I might pull too much or too little. So I need the fabric to be taut while I'm doing this. So I'm gonna start with my purple and I'm gonna go from side to side, side to side, just sewing. Until now, I think it's pretty easy. It's very similar, probably a little bit easier with the loom, but as some of you have mentioned, it's not super difficult at all, so that can be done without any problem. I think with the loom, you do it a little bit more straight and nice, but I think until now, it's very comparable. Now I'm gonna sew the thread in the other direction, and I think I used a yellow last time, or those orangey, something like that. And I'm go from one corner to the other. I think that at the beginning when I put the thread, I spaced them a little bit more, so it's not exactly the same, but I think it's good. And I finished, and I think it looks really good. I'm gonna just finish in the same way I did, and I think it's very comparable. So you can see this was the original and this is the one that I did now. What do you think? They look pretty much the same, so I think it's very comparable. So I think you were right in this instance, but now let me compare it for the jeans, because in fact I wanted that mini loom to make visible mending on my jeans. So the concern that some of you had is like the patch or this mending is like in the air, like it's not attached per se to the damaged material, and this is why I had to do the flowers on the top, remember? So I'm gonna try to do this patch, but I'm gonna try to do it sewing as well while I'm doing the patch, sewing the fabric to see if now will be better job without the loom. So I'm gonna start, remember that I did a patch like that with the sashiko thread, and that was 3 years ago, and still I have some things, so I think it works very well. And I'm using sashiko thread as well now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow the lines, but I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go out, making sure that I go through both fabric, the one at the top of the jeans and as well the knit that I used to patch it. And at the beginning I'm trying to kind of do I try to go a little bit organized, and unfortunately I realized a little bit too late probably that it's better if I just go and do in a more randomized way, but it's okay. Something else that I realized is that I need the tambourine as well, because even if I go in and out, the stitches are so long that anyways I can pull too much or too little. So better with the tambourine. I'm doing the patch that my grandmother would do if she had sew. Well, I had one grandmother that used to make shirts. That was her job. So I'm going up and down, inserting my needle, going through the 2 layers of fabric. And as I said before, at the beginning I started to try to make it some kind of pattern, but then I realized that if I do it without any design, maybe it will look better. So I want you to let me know in the comment, what do you think about it? You can tell me the truth. It doesn't really matter. For the other thread, I'm gonna use another color so we can see better the job, because those pants are mine, so I don't mind about that. But if I weren't doing this video, I probably would have used the navy thread all the way. I know that's unoriginal, but I'm a mute person and I don't dance, so I don't have anything to show. So I did a few rows and then I used the navy blue, and then I'm doing a few more rows, and then I'm gonna use the blue thread that goes from darker blue to a lighter shade of blue. And I'm going to do 4 of one, 6 of the other, 4 of the other, and that's it. In between the spaces that I left, I'm doing some crisscross just to fill it up a little bit and to reinforce better the material. I finished everything and now everything is very strong, and even if I went in, I can feel that it will be very comfortable. As I told you that I don't use jeans for patching, I prefer to use knit just because the knit is a little bit more comfortable. And here you go, this is my new patch. At the other side I have the older one. Let me show you how it will look. Well, it really won't, you cannot see it because that goes in between the leg, but I wanted you to see both of them and to compare which one do you like the most. The one that I did today or the one that I did last video. For sure, the one that I did today is stronger, but it took me longer time than the one that I did for the other video. So probably the looming method is a little bit faster and the hand method is a little bit stronger. So let me know what you think in the comment, and if you find this video entertaining or useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye! Hey guys, I just wanted to confess something to you. As you might know, I'm a fashion designer and I like to design. I have my business of alterations because, it's a good business. But I have a secret channel where I want to experiment doing different things. I'm gonna link this channel. But don't expect too much about it. It might be even a little bit boring, but just go and take a look at it. I've been making mini clothes with this doll that I finally got. I always wanted one. Well, you can take a look. I will appreciate your support. As always, you always support me. I'm so grateful for you all. I hope to see you over there as well. Bye!